Good morning, 8th grade. Hope we're doing well on the Friday before our scheduled spring break. Today's video just wanted to walk you through today's Google Form assignment and reminding us how do we submit documents or submit assignments through Google Classroom. So the first thing I'll do is in my test student account, I'll go to Google Classroom. And I will go to the correct science class. Hello, Tommy. Today's assignment, scheduled pre-spring break quiz. Complete the quiz, answer each question honestly. Don't forget to submit your 3-day physical activity log. This part I'll show you after. Okay, so I'll show you the quiz first, then I'll show you how to submit this. The quiz itself, pretty straightforward. Okay. Enter your first and last name. When do you typically check Google Classroom for our daily learning assignments? You could say morning, afternoon, evening, night. You could be more specific and say I check it at 7 a.m. When do you check it? Okay, be honest. For the test student, let's say this test student checks it at 8:30 a.m. or early morning. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable do you feel using Google Classroom to complete learning assignments? Like, do you know how to get from class to class? Do you know how to get into assignments? Do you know how to submit things? Okay, how comfortable are you? How helpful are my homemade instructional videos? Those are like this video. These are the videos where I record myself, I show you where to go, I show you how to set things up. This one's important because this is going to be one of the easiest ways for me to give you instruction as if we're in the classroom. But if it doesn't work, I need to know, so then I can try and find a better way. Yeah, you know, personally I think I'm very helpful, but maybe not. Do you have any questions about Google Classroom that I should research, answer, and make a video for? Okay. If no, just write no. But if yes, write your question. So for example, yes, comma, I need to know how to submit assignments through Google Classroom. Okay. You could write that, and once you're done, you hit submit. And then response submitted and assignment marked as done. And so, great. And then I go back to my tab and see my work turned in. Perfect. And so I'll exit out of that. So I've done this part. Great. Now we're going to go to our 3-day physical activity log. Since this is a different assignment, you don't turn it in here. Okay. You go, we'll click back to the Earth Science page, so then we're in the stream. We'll go to our classwork. Okay, our 3-day physical activity log was here. Okay, so we'll go into View Assignment. How do we turn it in? All right, before I turn it in, I'm going to, there it is. Okay, so I have my test student 3-day physical activity log. This is the sheet that I'm going to turn in. Before I turn it in, scroll down, okay? Because you should see that I have all my physical activity completed today. This is what I'm going to do because I want to show you how to submit it. This is what I will do today, but make sure before you turned in you have actually done this physical activity. Try and get at least 60 minutes. All right, so my Google sheet, or sorry, not Google sheet, my Google Doc is finished. My name is written, and it's also up here where I've also written it. Okay, so I go back to my, oh, that's not it. There it is. Okay, so how do I turn in my physical activity log? Okay, so I go to my work assigned, I need to go to add, okay? Since I'm not creating anything new, I don't choose anything down here. I've already made it. So I'm going to go up to my Google Drive, and there it is. Test student 3-day physical activity log. I have to double click, wait for it to load, and now it's loaded. But I'm not done yet. You have to turn it in. Turn in your work? Yeah, I want to turn it in. Okay, great. Now that it is turned in, you'll see that here, you can unsubmit it to make changes. I know there's many of us who've already turned this in. They did it each day to show me. Great. Make sure you unsubmit it though, so then you can update your last day, and that way you can have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday recorded. You can click it to upload, but just notice that when it's in, okay, you cannot edit it anymore. You've turned it in. Okay, if you need to make an edit, you have to unsubmit it. Okay, unsubmitting it, clicking this, will allow you to make changes again. But since I'm done, I'm turning it in. All right, that sums up how we turn in assignments through Google Classroom. I will upload this video to our assignments. Good Lord, there's a lot of classes for this test student. I will upload this video to this assignment, our 3-day physical activity log, and I'll upload it to the pre-spring break quiz. That way we just have it all, okay? That is how I'm going to mark attendance today. I need to see both of our assignments turned in. I have to submit attendance by tomorrow morning by 9. So I'm having this assignment due, both assignments due tomorrow at 8. I see this one says 7 o'clock. I'm going to change that to tomorrow morning at 8. So I need to see both before, so then you can be marked for attendance. Get them both done. I'll see your pre-spring break quiz completed. Yeah, have a fantastic break. I look forward to our first lesson together the following Monday.